Hi friends, we'll learn about save as dialog box. While processing, user may decide to save some data to his system. So we can click a button and the save as button, save as window will pop up, and the user can select various options in that, move it to a different location and save the files in their local machine. We'll see about that. This is a basic template where only a button is there. We'll code that. That is, once the button is clicked, the dialog box should open to save it. Let's just run it once. Yeah. So here the button is, nothing is coded, so nothing is happening now. Now we'll code that one. So we'll put it here. We'll say command equal to bd lambda. This is the event what you want. We will write a function for that, save file. So this function will be executed once the button is clicked. Now let's come back to here, go little up. So here we'll write the code. So we'll say defined a function name is save file. So here is our function. Inside this, first we'll write the file equal to file dialog. Now in this module we have used asksaveasfilename. Now inside this we can say file types equal to, let's start with a simple text file. So what you will say, we'll say text file. Now what is this text file is? Its extension is let's say single quotes, okay. Anything you can give, star txt, fine. So this is the file types, and we'll give one more, that is default extension. Extension equal to, now this default extension is .txt. This is the text file. So that's all. Now our file name will get it. So we'll create a file object. So this is the file name. So using this file name, we'll use a file object. Let's give the name as FOB object equal to open. Now what we are telling is, it is the file we'll be using and in the write mode. So we have created a write mode, the file object. Now inside that FOB, we'll write now. We'll use the write method to write some text. Well, we'll write something. You can write anything. Welcome to +2net, fine. Now FOB dot close. So file object is closed. Now that's all. This is the code we have. This function will be executed once the button is clicked. Now let's try that. We have clicked this. Now the save button should open up. Yeah, the dialog box has come. Now I am selling delete 2. Now by default it's a text file. I will save this. Yeah, saved. So now let's just check it. You can see in my del2 is created. Now let's just double click it and see. Welcome to +2net. This is what we have tried now. So we'll close this. Fine. Now come back. So now we'll explore the various options available within this file, asksaveasfilename. We can add an initial directory to this. So we'll say that now. We'll say initial directory equal to, we can say first, let's say D drive, then my data, then my HTML. So this is where I want the browser or the save as dialog box should open. I will just, let's check this. We'll run this once. We can save. You can see this is my HTML is created. I can create one more file here, del3 text file, and save it. Fine. Now this is about initial directory. Now let's say you have already seen the file types. I can extend it further. You can see I'll get a drop down also. So let me just type one more, that I will say CSV file. CSV file I am saying. The extension I will give it as star.csv. So this will also appear, and one more thing also will add it to this. One more option is our title. So we'll say title equal to, now this is the save to +2net. So this we'll see where it appears. Now we have added one more extension. Default extension is there. Initial directory is there. These are the options we have added. Now let's see. Now save. You can see this top save to +2net. This title we have given. Now I have save as type, one more is there, CSV file is there. So like that I can, because this drop down appears here because that's the option I have given. Now let me just save it once more, del 4, now save it and come out. Fine. So this is what we can how we will use the asksaveasfilename. We can further develop application using that, because we can see that this once some data is processed or some input data, we can give it in the window, and the same we can save it. Now before that, one more thing, was this as file name. So this is the name I am getting. I can stop here also. I can use the file only, and in that case this I'll be creating a file object right here. So I will say mode equal to write. So now I am giving a write. So this is no more required. File object I have. So this line I can comment it and use this as FOB. File object, because the subsequent 2 lines I need not change anything. Now this is also I can use it save as file, not as file name. Now let's see that. Save. Now I will say del 4 is over 5. Let's give delete 5. So this is saved. So this is how I can use the asksaveasfile to create a dialog box. So giving the opportunity to the user to save the file.